Welcome back to Autoscope. The exterior of the 2026 Bentley Motorhome boasts recognizable LED headlights, a sizable matrix grille, and sophisticated body lines that are hallmarks of the brand. It will probably have aerodynamic and contemporary elements, premium materials, to ensure maximum stiffness and fuel efficiency. Lightweight yet robust materials like aluminum and carbon fiber are employed in body construction. High-end exterior paint options with a slight sheen and possibly Bentley-only hues are examples of luxurious finishes. Expensive automatic awnings, well-thought-out storage spaces, advanced exterior lighting systems, and perhaps an extensible back platform are a few examples of external comfort features. Exclusive wheels huge, specially crafted alloy wheels that probably bear the recognizable Bentley B emblem. Inside Pricey Luxury, the interior of the vehicle will be the height of luxury. The best hand-stitched leather, exquisitely finished rare wood veneers, and intricately carved metal embellishments will be the most sought-after materials. Customizable layouts or range of interior layouts, such as choices for the number of beds, living room arrangements, and work areas, are probably available to accommodate client preferences. Luxurious bedding, a personal entertainment system, soft bedding, and an excellent mattress will all be included in the master bedroom's furnishings. Gourmet Kitchen. The kitchen will be equipped with high-end appliances from leading brands, such as a built-in coffee maker, microwave, induction cooktop, wine refrigerator, and worktops made of marble or granite. Spa bathroom featuring a separate shower. A high-end toilet, basins, mirrors with integrated lighting, and opulent finishes. The bathroom will be designed to resemble a private spa. Technology and performance. Robust engine. Although precise specifications are difficult to estimate, the RV will probably be powered by a high-performance engine that produces responsive, smooth performance. This engine can be a hybrid or a Bentley gasoline engine.